Welcome to Siretta's series of informational videos. Our aim is to provide you with background information and insight into Siretta's product portfolio, the technology behind them, and areas in which they can be used. To find out more about our Siretta link, please look at the Siretta link video available on our YouTube channel. My name is Harry Finch, Siretta's Antenna Product Manager, and I will be covering the content within Siretta's new datasheets. So at Siretta, we want to give customers as much information as possible about our antennas so we can better help you to choose the antenna that's best for your application. Our antennas are going through extensive RF testing in order to measure their performance across the part of the RF spectrum that's typically used for industrial IoT. Our antennas are tested and verified by a third-party test lab so that you can be assured the antenna you're buying will work as needed. We're currently in the process of adding a lot of useful graphs, charts, and tables to our data sheets in order to make them user-friendly as well as extensive. So I'll now go through some of the new features of our new data sheets in the next few slides. So here we have the spectral view diagram, which is designed to be a quick view of the antenna's RF performance, shown in a visual way. It describes the antenna's performance from 400 MHz to 6 GHz. The key frequencies are highlighted here with the relevant technologies shown underneath. We use a classic traffic light-based color indicator to show if the antenna is suitable for that frequency. So you can see in this example that the antenna is suitable between 1.8 and 6 gig. Now bear in mind that if the diagram shows orange in your desired frequency, it's still a suitable antenna in good signal conditions, so don't discount it as a viable option. The color indicator itself is calculated using a complicated algorithm that takes into account the VSWR, return loss, and average efficiency for that frequency. We also have band coverage tables that show the same information just in a bit more detail and broken down by cellular band, again with a traffic light use indicator for each band. Here you can see all of the factors that go into calculating whether or not the antenna is suitable in that band, including uplink, downlink, average upload and download efficiency, and max upload and download VSWR. If you want to dig deeper into the data, we also have these useful graphs that show VSWR across frequency. This is a measure of how well the impedance is matched in an antenna. The ideal scenario for optimum performance of your equipment is a VSWR that doesn't increase above 3 for your desired frequency range. Then you have return loss across frequency. This is the ratio of reflected power to the forward power in decibels. A lower return loss means less power is reflected from the load and is usually a desirable outcome. And finally, you have a useful radiation efficiency across frequency chart, which is a measure of how effectively the antenna converts the power that is supplied to it into electromagnetic radiation. And you want about around 50% at least for your desired frequency. Now, if you want to know more about these measurements of performance and how to apply them to your antenna selection process, then we have a blog on our website called VSWR and Return Loss Explained that goes through the basics. And if you want an even more detailed explanation, then you can read our Antenna 101 ebook, which is a great resource for everything antenna. Both of these will be linked in the description of the video if you want to check those out. Finally, in the last pages of our datasheet, we show the radiation plots for each of the key frequencies. Radiation plots are a graphical representation of the way that an antenna radiates electromagnetic waves, and they can be useful for designing and optimizing antenna systems, as well as for troubleshooting existing systems. We also have 3D plots, which give a better idea of how the energy is dissipated as a whole. Thank you for listening to today's video. We hope you found it insightful. To see more informational videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you will find useful information on our product portfolio. Please visit our website and remember to look out for our newsletters and follow us on social media so you don't miss out on future Siretta developments. Thank you.